At Invest Karnataka 2025, where groundbreaking innovations are taking center stage, Harshith Modi, founder and CEO of Athon Allterrain Private Limited, spoke to Salar Digital about their homegrown mobility technology. Athon specializes in customized solutions for farm utility, recreation and power sports, defense, disaster management, forestry, forest firefighting, industrial and commercial applications. Their latest innovation includes a world-first SSV UTV vehicle designed to tackle challenging terrains with efficiency. By addressing critical mobility challenges, Athon is paving the way for advanced, adaptable and high-performance vehicles across multiple sectors.
Athon is all about. So Athon is an homegrown technology. So we started in 2019 with a vision to address challenges which usually a normal vehicle such as a passenger vehicle, commercial vehicle or any special purpose vehicle cannot address. So this vehicle, it can not only address the problems related to mobility, but it can also address the remaining operations which normally the other vehicle has to do. So in a nutshell, Athon is all about providing customized all-terrain solution, and Athon can address market segments such as farm utility, recreational and power sports, defense, disaster management, coastal management, forestry, forest firefighting solution, and there are many other applications related to industrial and commercial applications.
So can you tell about this model?
Yeah, this is Ashwa 6x6. This is world's first 6x6 SSV UTV. So as I mentioned, it is again an homegrown product which we have. The basic difference between Ashwa 4x4 and 6x6 is in 6x6 you can load a lot of cargo onto the rear, and also since it has got 6 wheels, so it will have more traction on conditions such as marshy terrain or snowbound terrain.
Lastly, what is your expectation from this global summit?
So since our expectation through this global summit is to create awareness about our kind of product line, since India is growing tremendously as far as growth of UTV SSV market is concerned, or off-road mobility is concerned. So our motive behind this event is to create awareness as well as to address our own needs related to expansion and growth.